Adam Hoffman, the former Waco attorney charged with sexually abusing his son's friend, was sentenced to 60 days in jail.
What up, guys? Good afternoon. Hope everyone's doing well. Recent news has broke out that Adam Dean Hoffman, who was the Waco attorney who was convicted of continuous child sexual abuse of a minor, who was sentenced to 60 days in jail, he was recently released early for good behavior. So you may know this guy. He was the attorney that was sentenced to 60 days in jail for continual sexual abuse of a minor. He was not required to register as a sexual offender, which I thought was really weird and really distasteful and disgusting. I don't do any of these cases. I refuse to do them, so I don't know the ins and outs per se. But just as a layman here, I would imagine if you got convicted of a sexual offense in this nature, that you would have to register as a sexual offender. But what do I know? So you may be asking yourself, how do we get here? How does this guy get only 60 days for continual sexual abuse of a minor? It's kind of a loophole type deal. So they had went to a jury trial a while back. They got a hung jury, and the victim did not want to retestify due to it's very emotional. He had some mental health issues concerning the circumstances of this traumatizing event, and he did not want to re-traumatize himself by retestifying in open court. You may ask yourself, well, can't they prove their case another way? Because time has elapsed in this matter, the majority of the state's case is going to be dependent on testimonial evidence by the victim. So if we have no victim testimony, the case isn't going to be very strong, which is how this guy kind of got off the hook. But I think the most distasteful thing was the court not requiring him to register as a sex offender. They do it all the time with black and brown people. They want to set a precedent with us, all that good stuff. They want to kind of throw us down the river. But whenever you have this white attorney, he kind of gets a little better treatment. But really unfortunate. Don't hire this dude.